Okay, let's see how to find yp when cos x or sin x are there. In this example, I have cos x. So it's just finding out yp. So I'm not going into the details of how to find the general solution. You can check my previous videos for it. Okay. Now, how do I find yp? The solution. How do I find yp is f of d into, I'm sorry, it is 1 by f of d into cos x. What is f of d? Polynomial in d. 1 by f of d into cos x. Here I am being given cos x. So f of d is what? 1 by d squared minus 4d plus 1 into cos x. Okay. Yeah. So now what's the criteria as discussed in the introductory video how to find yp is that replace d squared by replace, that's the theorem, replace d squared by minus 1. So what I'll be having is 1 by minus 1 minus 4d plus 1 into cos x. Okay. So plus 1 and minus 1 goes off. I'll be having minus 1 by 4d into cos x. Yes? Right. Now, as I have said, d is a differential operator. Differential operator. Okay. Then what would be 1 by d, guys? What would be 1 by d? Obviously, the integrating operator, right? The integration. Reciprocation of differentiation is integration, as all of us know. So, I can just take out minus 1 by 4 and then I'll be having 1 by d cos x, which is nothing but minus 1 by 4 integral of cos x dx. Okay. What's integral of cos x dx? As you all know, it is sin x, right? Minus 1 by 4 sin x would be my yp. That's it. That's how I'll find out. If I have 1 by d or d squared, there's no problem. But if I have a polynomial in d, it is difficult to handle because of which there are theorems available which I'm using them as formulae, okay, to solve problems. But then there are proofs for the theorems as well. We can check them in, I can discuss about them in the next videos as well. Okay, right. Let me do one more problem on finding yc when cos x is there. Okay, yeah. What it is again finding yp. Find yp. Okay, what's been given is 1 by f of d into cos 2x is being given to me. What's f of d? It's separately given, that is d cube minus 3d square plus 3d minus 1. First thing is because I have d cube, I have to rewrite it in terms of factors or directly replace d squared. Okay. Yeah. So what do I do? First write the factors, guys. Always I suggest you to write the factors. Yeah, the auxiliary equation in M would be what? Auxiliary equation in M would be m cube minus 3m squared plus 3m minus 1. Okay, so if I start finding out it factors 1 minus 3 using synthetic division, okay, I think I can go with 1 or something like that. M is equal to 1 or something like that. So 1 and then this would be what? Plus 1 and this is minus 2. And this is again what? Minus 2 and this is plus 1 and then this is plus 1 and this goes to 0. Okay. Or either I can go with a cube minus 3a squared be that formula as well. Okay. So I have m minus 1 to be one factor, m squared minus 2m plus 1 to be another factor. Now coming to yp, I should be writing in terms of d, right? Here I'm not asked to find the general solution. I'll be finding only yp, right? You can also be asked to find only yc. So do check the problem properly before proceeding. Okay. This is not e power, this is cos 2x. Cos 2x. Okay. So wherever d square is there, I have to replace with what? Since I have 2x, it has to be squared and replaced with a negative term. Okay. So d squared has to be replaced with minus 4, right? So 1 by d minus 1 into minus 4 minus 2d plus 1 cos 2x. I'm not yet done, so cos 2x is still inside, right? So minus 4 plus 1 would be minus 3 and then multiplication of d minus 1 into minus I can take out 3 plus 2d. Multiplying this would give me what? 3d minus 3 plus 2d squared minus 2d. Okay. Yeah. 3d minus 2d would be what? 3d minus 2d would be d. And then I have 2d squared and minus 3 I have with cos 2x. Again, with a negative sign. There was a negative sign. So again, d square would be replaced with minus 4. Okay. So what I'll be having would be what? Minus 1 by d plus 2 into minus 4 minus 3 into cos 2x. Okay. So 2 fours is minus 8. Minus 8 minus 3 would be what? Minus 11. Okay. Minus 1 by d minus 11 cos 2x. Now, I don't have d squared. Neither I have d. I have again a term in d. So, again to get d squared, I'll be rationalizing, guys. To get d squared. For all obvious reasons, to get d squared, I'll be rationalizing. So, I'll be having what in the numerator? D plus 11 in the numerator. In the denominator, I'll be having what? D squared minus 11 squared would be what? 121. Cos 2x is still on the right because I have not applied completely cos 2x. Once it is applied, you can bring it to the left. D squared, again, it has to be replaced with minus 4. And then minus d of cos 2x will be there in the numerator. Cos 2x will be there in the numerator. Minus d, no, minus 11 of cos 2x will be there in the numerator. In the denominator, d squared is replaced with minus 4 and I also have minus 121. So 125 in the denominator and numerator minus and denominator minus goes off. So 1 by 125 I'll have. Now just see this in the numerator, guys. Derivative of cos 2x. D cos 2x is nothing but derivative of cos 2x, guys. It's very simple. 11 cos 2x, which you all know. Okay. Derivative of cos 2x is what? Minus sine 2x by sine 2x by 2. Okay. Yeah. This is the answer. This is my YP. What that is this is how I have got it. 1 by 125 is outside. I can rewrite like this. 11 cos x minus sine 2x by 2. Okay. This is how I can rewrite it. And this is how I'll be solving it. D in the numerator has no problem. D in the denominator also doesn't have a problem. The problem is with the polynomial in D in the denominator is what is the problem. Because of which I'm handling it in a different way, that is by using theorems. Okay. I'll end the video here. Talk about different things later, about different YPs later in the next